Hey guys, today I'm going to show you to get Umax Pro for free. So as you can see, it says Pro Unlocked. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's very easy. So basically there's a website called hexmods.com. They have a lot of modded apps, and they got the Umax mod, which allows you to get Umax Pro for free, as you can see. So press the download button and it's going to start to download it. So yeah, it works on iOS and Android, by the way. So no matter what device you got, you should be able to download it. So let's just wait for this to download here. Now before it downloads, guys, we are going to have to do a verification. To do is download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So the thing is, a lot of people will download 2 of the apps, right, but they won't read the instructions, so you have to read and complete. So like Fetch says install pin and sign up, text now, install pin, make a 30-second call, TikTok down run for 30 seconds. So just press tap to install. It's going to bring you to the store and you just got to download the app. So make sure you do that, guys. Very important that you do 2 of them and you actually read the instructions. Like, guys, a lot of people are just dumb. Like, they don't read the instructions. Like, you have to do it. So I'm gonna go to the app store and type in Umax and look at this. I'm gonna go to in-app purchases. Oh my god, I went in reviews. Okay, so as you can see, the in-app purchases go up to $12.99. That is crazy, bro. So if you guys want to pay for it, like, that's up to you, but I don't want to pay. So I got Umax Pro for free, bro. That's insane. Pro unlocked, as you can see. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys. Totally works. So as long as you do the verification, guys, you should get the Umax mod. So this is super crazy, guys. You can see down here it says checking completion, so it is actively looking to make sure you completed it. So that's super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and it totally works. So enjoy, guys. This is wild, and it's like time to take back the community and stuff with free Umax Pro. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out, bro.